डिस्कशन जाता म्हज्या तुमको डिस्कशन करूं जाय पूण डेफिनेटली GIDCचे क्लॉजेस रिलेटेड हायलायटेड इन CAG बाय CAG टुडे म्हाका दिसता वी हॅव ऑलमोस्ट फायनलायज्ड several reports that were pending for more than 14-15 years and soon I'm confident that I would put it in front of the committee to be presented to the speaker. These are long pending demand. Last 14-15 years have been pending, but I'm confident that last time the report I present Kerala for the very first time it was presented in the house, and of course the house voted the report out, but because it was spicy, it was something that they did not approve of. So my this आज honorable members Cruz Silva, Ullas Toinkar, Viresh were there. Several discussions were held, and definitely I will present my report on the same.